What is a fraction? Anybody?
A fraction is...
It's okay if you don't know. Anybody just want to...
What
What is a fraction? Okay. Well,
Wait,
we're going to write down the
a
definition.
fraction is something like one, like half of it?
It's a part of it, right?
Yeah, part
An
of it.
equal part usually. Okay. So it is a number that expressed equal parts of a whole object. Or a set of objects. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's put a rectangle over the important stuff within our answer. Okay. Equal parts, whole object, and set of objects. And so as a simple example, what we're going to do is we're going to write down, in fractions, the good thing about fractions, guys, is that we can do a lot of pictorial models, right? So a simple one, for example, would be, so how many parts are in this?
4.
4. Okay. So if I wanted to represent 1/4, what would I do?
You would shade in 1?
Just shade in 1, right? Okay, and so right next to it, we'll put 1/4. So is there another way that I could possibly do this using a different shape?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like what?
Circle.
No.
Okay, good. Let's do a circle.
Like that?
So how many circles would I draw then, Nathan?
4.
Okay, so let's do 4 circles. 1, 2. My circles aren't the best, but they're circles, right?
Yeah.
And how many would I shade in?
4.
1.
1.
We could do one big whole circle like pizza.
We could do that too, like a pizza, right?
Can we do
But
it that
is this
way?
the same one? Is this the same? Is this the
Yes,
same thing? Are they both the
yes,
exact same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let's think about a different shape. But let me do a different one. How about let's do a triangle?
Yay.
Okay, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it simple. We're starting off simple, okay?
I don't think you can do
If I were to do 1/2, what would I have to do?
Like that in the middle.
Just right down the middle, right?
That's all you can
So how many would I shade?
1/2. I mean 1.
Just one side, right?
then that just equals 1/2.
So this is equal to 1/2.
1 and 1/2 usually in 1.
So let's kind of talk about vocabulary.
1
It's
and
important that you guys know the terms, right? So we have 1/2. What is the top number called? Anybody know?
Numerator.
Yeah, there you go.
Numerator.
Numerator.
Numerator. Numerator.
And what's the bottom number called?
Denominator.
Denominator. Good, Ivan.
Yay.
And this is the important part that a lot of you guys get confused. And when you look at fractions, sometimes you guys don't understand, well, why is this, what does this mean? What does the numerator mean? What does the denominator mean? And this is what it means. So we know that the top part is just, the numerator is just part of the fraction. The denominator is the whole And what does that mean? Well, if we look right here, there's 4, right? 4 holes. We only shaded in what? So that's the part, and the 4 is the hole, right?
Yes.
Okay, just like this. When we count these, how many holes do we have? We have 1 hole, right? But there's how many parts? 2.
2.
And then how many parts are shaded? 1, right? So we can do the same thing again. Let's do another one.
The diamond.
This time we'll just do them separate. We'll do separated. We'll do separated squares. Okay, so if I did like this, and I shaded in 2 of these, what would the fraction be? Let's do it in reverse. How many squares are here?
3,
Okay, so then we know that's going to be our denominator. And how many are shaded?
2.
2.
And that's going to be our numerator, right?
Right.
So let's write that. Okay, and again, this is our shaded part, and the denominator is our whole. Okay, so now we're going to take it a little bit further. What we're going to do for this one is we're going to draw, it's going to be part of a hole, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do 6 squares. Okay, and then we're going to color them 2 different colors. So let's go ahead and do the first 2 in blue. And the rest, the other 4, we can do it in yellow or any other color that you guys want. It's up to you. But I'm going to do yellow. Okay. So if I'm looking just at the blue part, what fraction would I...
Just at the blue part? 2.
Just the blue. 2 what?
6.
2, 6. Why 6?
Because there's 6 squares.
Because there's 6 squares. Good. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 6 are, for me, I'll put blue. You can put whatever color that you decided to use. And for me, the yellow would be what? What would the fraction for the yellow be?
4 6.
4 6. So 4 6 are, and I would put yellow. Okay. So now, let's do happy faces. Let's do, I'm gonna do 4 orange happy faces. And then I'm gonna do 3 red. Okay. So what would my fraction be right now of red?
A red, it'll
Red
be
happy faces.
3.
3 out of 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right.
So 3
So
7s.
then it would be 3 7s are red. And what would be my fraction of the orange?
4 7.
4/7.
4/7 are orange. Bless you.
Thank you.
All right. Now, lastly, I want to look at some of the keywords that you guys need to be on the lookout for. Okay, so let's put keywords. And these keywords are half, third, fourth, fifths, sixth, seventh, and we'll do eighth. And we're gonna stop the video right there. So say bye to your classmates.